Meaning of limba.
Limba. Limba.
Part of speech noun. Definitions. 1. A tongue or language, especially one that is not widely spoken or is specific to a particular region or group. Examples. 1. The limba language is primarily spoken in Sierra Leone and parts of Guinea. Part of speech noun. Definitions. 1. A member of a people speaking a limba language, originally living in the mountains and moving to the coast in the 19th century. Examples. 1. The Limba people are the third largest ethnic group in Sierra Leone. Note: the above definitions and examples are based on the Oxford English Dictionary.
Limba. Limba.